Hi, my name is Steve from ABC7 Chicago, which today we are looking at the horrifying devastation that occurred in our state last night. Massive amount of tornadoes decided to pass through St. Louis, Missouri, causing massive devastation for the whole city. Then later in the night, around 2 a.m., the storms moved up to our area and caused one tornado to hit Springfield and Decatur, Illinois. The devastation here in Decatur is unbelievable. Airport is completely damaged where there is no roof left. Multiple homes that I see are completely gone from the map. Millikan University is closed and has moderate damage. Power lines are down from everywhere. It is very saddening, everyone, and the death toll has been added up to 20 people already for the city of Decatur and other surrounding areas. Long Creek is heavily damaged. Woody is completely gone. Harristown, moderate damage. We will keep an eye out on this massive squall line as it heads towards our area in Chicago. Reporting live up in the air from downtown Decatur, ABC7 Chicago News.